Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Pngtree app not working in background. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Why the software is not working? Today we will discuss the complete details. Don't skip the video, watch the full video. Step 1. Long press on the Pngtree software. Click App Info. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Open Google Play Store. Click Search Bar, then type Pngtree. Click Pngtree. If you get any update, please update. Open Pngtree app. If your issue is still not resolved, then follow step 2. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click App Management. Find Pngtree app. Click Pngtree app. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Data. If you clear data, you need to log in your account again. Click OK. Click Back. Click Force Stop. Click Force Stop. Restart your phone once. If your problem is still not resolved, then follow step 3. Uninstall the Pngtree software, install on your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Click Search Bar, then type Pngtree. Click Pngtree software. Click Install. Hope your problem is solved. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.